International Trade and Payments is a Ghanaian registered consultancy. Having worked in the bank for 14 years, I decided to go out and start a consultancy where I can link Africa international trade to the other parts of the world. The objective is to bring businesses at the grassroots up to date to international standard. So basically, I support with import and export. In some situations where there's the need to look for funding, I fall on other foreign partners who are interested in the various businesses to help in a win-win situation. So I've registered the business with ITFA this year, 2025, and have been following and attending programs. And it's one of the reasons why I am here in Miami. The main issue has to do with financing. The reason being that in Africa, there are a lot of policies and standards that are in the West, which doesn't apply directly to businesses in Africa. To work in Africa, you need to understand our system. There are a lot of viable businesses, but if you don't understand it, and you come with your own standards, it will be difficult to participate. And it's important to mention that there are a lot of untapped businesses in Africa. So our other objective is to link, is to represent many other companies in other parts of the world that are interested in Africa but don't know how to come in. We are able to represent them to make sure that they are able to achieve their goals. The main challenge is when it comes to technology, the businesses in Africa are not up to date. So there are many things that happen in the West which is unable to be translated directly for the benefit of those in Africa. So technology is one of the biggest challenges. And banks operating in the region are also not able to link up with the West. The major challenge when it comes to banks in Africa is corresponding banking relationship. It is extremely difficult. You come to international trade, you talk of letter of credit, which is supposed to be a credit, but clients are forced to deposit cash, so it's always a cashback. It is the reason why most businesses now do advance payment for supply of goods and services. They tell themselves, if I have the cash now, why should I do a letter of credit? Let me rather transfer to the supplier and get my goods on time. So the banks in Africa are not able to respond to trade credit. If a supplier gives a credit to a client, the banks are not able to give a corresponding credit so that it will move together. So mainly, these are the challenges. Yeah, Miami, as it was mentioned in one of the presentations, Miami is similar to Dubai and Singapore. And I think Miami is open up for new opportunities. So the plan now is to see which businesses in Miami will be interested in businesses in Africa so that they can collaborate for the good of all. One message to my client is that there are opportunities in the other part of the world. We need to package ourselves well and be attractive, and the world will become one.